Welcome to Cleveland Cliffs' technical analysis. Cleveland Cliffs is skyrocketing today. Could this spark a major breakout? The stock gained 19.3% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. The price is trading above all key exponential moving averages, indicating a strong and healthy long-term uptrend with solid short and mid-term momentum. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $23.04, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $6.78, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $13.49 and $15.05, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 15.1% from current levels before rebounding. In recent days, price has maintained strong upward momentum, staying above all trend indicators. Momentum is building, both MACD and RSI confirm the strength. RSI is overbought, caution is warranted. A similar MACD cycle from June 26 to July 31 led to a price increase of approximately 41.2%. Long-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 15.3. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. After approaching the prior swing high, the next upside marker is the 1.618 extension around 16.36. Short-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 15.3. Price is currently below the recent swing high, which may act as near-term resistance. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is above average compared to recent averages. The RSI is above its smoothed version. Current RSI is 73.2, while smoothed RSI is 65.1. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Cleveland Cliffs, scored 10 out of 10, a strong setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is above all EMAs, long-term uptrend confirmed. Closest EMA is EMA 9 at $13.95, currently acting as support. A rising support trendline near $6.777 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $23.04. Nearest Fibonacci level is $12.26, acting as support. With price above the previous major high, the next Fibonacci extension to watch is $16.36, Fib 1.618. Breakout above regression channel, target is around $16.87. Top news for Cleveland Cliffs. News 1, CLF earnings, Cleveland Cliffs stock rallies despite misses, via tip ranks, on 3 hours ago. News 2, Cleveland Cliffs, CLF, reports Q3 loss, misses revenue estimates, via sharewise.com, on 4 hours ago. News 3, Cleveland Cliffs Q3 earnings, when revenue miss doesn't matter, NYSE, CLF, via Seeking Alpha, on 3 hours ago. News 4, earnings flash, CLF, Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated reports Q3 revenue $4.73 billion, versus FactSet estate of $4.90 billion, via MarketScreener, on 6 hours ago. News 5, earnings flash, CLF, Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated posts Q3 adjusted loss 45 cents per share, versus FactSet estate of negative 45 cents, via MarketScreener, on 6 hours ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Cleveland Cliffs. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.